Hi, this is Janet, and I am getting ready to work for the first time with my Cricut Joy, and I am going to be making a card. What you see in front of you is I have unboxed this insert card set, and it is called the Sensei Sampler, and so it says it has 12 cards in it, and what comes with it are a variety of inserts in 3 different colors here. So I've got tan, pink, and yellow. I'm sure that they have specific names. Let's see, mustard, party pink, and khaki. And then it comes with 3 different colors of cards here, and let's see what they call them. Twilight, tulip, and powder blue. And then it comes with enough envelopes for the entire package. And then purchasing separately, you need to have the Cricut Joy Card Mat. And just to let you know, it comes with a protective sheet over the front. And what I do with all of my protective sheets is I write the word front on it so that once I remove it, I can see which way to stick it back on, so I'm not getting additional dirt stuck to the piece. And from what I understand is there's a lift here to the mat, and you insert the card in, push it up to the top, and line it up, and you can see that it fits the dimensions here on the mat. Just make sure it's all pushed to the top and the fold is tight against that edge, and then fold the card over, and it sticks to that top surface. So I'm going to go set up my Joy to cut a card, and I will be back to show you that process. Okay, so I am back, and the Cricut Joy has finished cutting, and what I have found out is that I cannot video and have it cut from my phone at the same time, so I apologize for that. But here is the card. So the next step would be then to remove it here from the card mat, and I'm just going to lift gently here as it leaves behind all the little cut pieces. So I want to be really careful with lifting this up. And so far it's working really well, and there are no tears. So I'm just going to continue lifting this up. There we go. All right. So that was easy enough. And then you can see here all the pieces that are left behind, which I could then transfer or use for another piece. So I might actually put some transfer film over this and use this for another card. That would be quite fun. Now, what I'm doing here off camera and really should be showing you is that one little piece here didn't come undone. So you can cut it or you can tear at it. I think it would probably be okay just pulling them apart, but let's just gently go into it here so we don't ruin it. Okay, I think that's going to be okay. And then I will place it back on the mat because the mat is sticky, and I can see where it goes from the cut line. Alright, so I'm just going to set that aside and probably use some transfer to remove all of that. Keep in mind that this is my cover sheet. I have the front written on it, so I can stick that back on top to protect the whole piece while I am working on this. And I have picked out the tan to be the card insert, or the inside, I guess, so it just fits right into those notches like so. Now this was a Cricut Access image, and I did pay the 99 cents. Even though I have Cricut Access, I'm not sure why it charged me, but I went ahead and paid the 99 cents. because it wasn't much of a charge to create this card. And so there it is, all finished and ready to go in its envelope. Now, if I wanted to, I could go back into here and behind it with a little bit of glue to attach it. I could also go in and substitute in like some different colors if I wanted to. Just quickly here, let me grab some scrap. So, you know, I could do something like this in different areas if I wanted to make different colors. So that is definitely all doable and looks kind of interesting. So I might go in and actually do something like that up here in the words and then leave the rest tan. So that was my very first cut using the Cricut Joy, and everything went well except for this little teeny piece here that got stuck, and that I have had happen on my other machines as well. So first go at it worked out well. Hope you enjoyed watching the tutorial.